Solve for x such that 1 over m plus 1 over n plus 1 over x equals 1 over m plus n plus x, where m and n are non-zero real numbers. Firstly, we can simplify the left-hand side. It is mx plus nx plus m times n, and then over m n x. And the right-hand side is still 1 over m plus n plus x. According to the cross multiplication rule, it is mx plus nx plus m times n, then all times m plus n plus x equals 1 times m n x is just m times n times x. Now, because this equation is an equation about x, so we can simplify this further. Here we can take out an x. It is m plus n times x plus m n, and then times m plus n plus x. Here is m n x. Now we have this one times this one. It is m plus n squared, then times x, and then plus mn times m plus n. And then we also have this one times this one. It is m plus n times x squared. At last, we have mn times x equals mnx. And you can see it appears on both sides, so cancel, cancel. This one is just 0. However, m plus n can be taken out. So in the bracket we have, here is x squared, and here is m plus n times x, and here we have just m n equals 0. The left-hand side is a product, and the right-hand side is 0. So this is 0, or this one is 0. So we have two cases. In our first case, we have m plus n equals 0. So that means m equals negative n. Now we can see 1 over m plus 1 over n is just 0, and m plus n is also 0, so the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. 1 over x equals 1 over x. So our x is any real number, however non-zero. In our second case, we have x squared plus m plus n times x plus mn equals 0. mn is m times n, and here we have m plus n. So it is x plus m, then times x plus n. That means in this case we have x equals negative m, or x equals negative n. So if m plus n equals 0, x is any non-zero real number. Otherwise, x equals negative m or x equals negative n. Do you get the answers? Do you get the solutions? Do you get the method? Do you get the trick? Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to me for more wonderful questions. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.